of truth. Put back together. We'll see if it's giving us heat. Parts are in.
Yep, it works.
Yay! Good job! Good job, Daddy.
You feel the heat?
You feel
the heat?
Now it's on, guys. Thank you, Daddy, for fixing. Make sure, guys, you purchase the right parts, though, for the right model. This is Samsung. See, this is our Samsung dryer. So make sure you got the right model. You make sure you get the right model when you purchase the part. You look at under here. You open the door, you look that up, and make sure the parts all correct. Now the washer is working. So excited. I don't have to go to laundromat. Woo-wee! Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Just to let you know, our Samsung dryer is not heating. So my husband ordered the supplies, material, equipment. It arrived today, so he's going to fix the Samsung dryer. First, you have to turn off the electricity. You power up, you open that box, you power the electric for the dryer. Second, you unplug it from the wall. Make sure it's not plugged in. Third, you are going to undo the duct, the vent, and move the dryer away from the wall. Here he goes. He's fixing the Samsung dryer. And look, this is what he pulled out of the, I think that's a heating element or whatever that called.
Heating
Yeah.
shows no current. So
That is it. No current. He's testing it.
better than you want.
Testing there. That one does.
Has
That's a
current.
new one.
Yes, it's burnt out.
So that's burnt out. He's gonna replace with the new one, and it's all gonna be running again. Hope we save money to buy a new one, because it's a bit expensive, you know. So thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe and likes. That's the vent.
We don't have nothing to clean this out with.
We're gonna clean it out. Make sure there's no links in there before put it all back together. You have to be gentle. Make sure all the screws is in place on each task. You don't misplace nothing. So like I said, this is the Samsung dryer not heating up. It's been a week. Thank you again for watching. See you soon.